Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN or YFI, currently ranked at 188 with a market cap of about $200 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $39 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So for YFI, we are up about 0.7%. And without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the date source. And for YFI, first thing we did was we'd always draw our levels, because we said prices always respect these levels. And for some of you that has been with us right on the channel, you would know we have been accumulating right down through September, as we have been expecting to see a golden cross in October or November, right? For YFI, as you can see, our levels have been respected, and currently we have seen that golden cross, right, which we saw at the 23rd of October. We said when the 50 EMA crosses the 200 EMA, that is the beginning of a huge bull run, right? Because we said this rarely happens, and when it happened, right, this means we are about to see a very impulsive push to the upside. Even though we have seen a very weak push to the upside right here for YFI, as you can see, YFI has been holding both the 50 and the 200 EMA. We saw this push to the upside. We were expecting the retracement of the 50 EMA. We went below, but as you can see, we held the 200 EMA. Currently, as you can see, we are slowly grinding to the top, and we are still expecting to see that push. Our first target was the 6,331, and our target for this month is the $7,417 level. That is a whopping push of about, let's see, of about 22%. And we have been saying that so far prices do not go below this 200 EMA, and we do not see the prices go especially below the 200 EMA. We are still bullish, and we are still expecting higher price targets, right? So as you can see, everything still remains bullish. Yes, we could see the slow grind to the $7,000 level for YFI, but remember, so far we are still holding the 50, the 200. We are still bullish, right? We would be giving you daily updates as regards this, and I believe this is still a huge consolidation right here for YFI. This is an opportunity to still accumulate more, as we are still expecting for the more higher price targets, even right here for YFI to the upside on the channel. Remember, when we were accumulating right down here, it didn't feel good. That is the same way you are accumulating right here. You should be expecting higher price targets, because you can see we are above the 200 EMA. So that's the update for YFI for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.